Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by writing the formula. C equals F minus 32 times 5/9. You need the Fahrenheit number, a calculator or pencil, and a rounding rule. First, subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit value. This shifts the 0 point from freezing to water's freezing. Once done, multiply the difference by 5, then divide by 9 to rescale the degree size. Make sure to set your calculator mode to decimal output, and note whether you will round to whole numbers or one decimal place. Now you perform the arithmetic step by step. You subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit input, which may yield a negative number for cold temperatures. That sign is important. Next, multiply that difference by 5 to scale numerators, then divide the product by 9 to complete the conversion factor. Use parentheses to avoid order mistakes. If you're doing this by hand, carry decimals carefully. If using a spreadsheet, enter equals F32 asterisk 5/9. Once calculated, apply your chosen rounding rule and label the result degrees. To finish, round the Celsius value to your selected precision and always append degrees C. To verify, convert back. Multiply your Celsius by 9/5, then add 32. The result should match the original Fahrenheit within rounding error. If it does not, check common mistakes: missing parentheses, swapping multiply/divide order, or failing to subtract 32 first. If decimals look off, increase calculation precision and re-round. If you still see large discrepancies, re-enter the original Fahrenheit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.